Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on precise location personalization on the X app. If you've ever wondered how to make your experience more tailored and relevant to the area you're in, this simple walkthrough has you covered. So let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of the settings. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will open up a menu where you can manage your account and preferences. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of the tools for customizing your experience are grouped together. Inside, you'll see different categories, but what we're looking for is privacy and safety. So go ahead and tap on that. Next, find and select Location Information. This is the section that controls how the app uses your location data to personalize what you see. Once you're in, you'll notice an option that says Personalize based on precise location. To turn this on, simply toggle the switch to the right until it lights up, showing that the feature is active. Activating this setting allows the app to recommend content, ads, and features that are more relevant to your exact location. For example, you might see updates about local events, region-specific trends, or other details matched closely to where you are. That's it, just a few taps, and you've enabled precise location personalization. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how connected and personalized your X experience feels every time you log in. If at any point you want to turn it off, you can head back into the same settings and toggle it off again, giving you complete control over your preferences. And there you have it. A quick, simple guide to turning on precise location personalization in the X app, fully updated for today. Now you can enjoy a feed that feels a little more tailored to where you are and what matters most locally.